Welcome to Jira Automation Tutorial 5. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to export and import Jira automation rules, both individual rules and all rules at once. By the end of this video, you'll be able to back up your hard work, transfer rules between projects or Jira instances, or simply share them with your team with total confidence. Let's dive right in and start with exporting a single Jira automation rule. First, open up Jira and head over to the Automation section. You can find this either by going to your project settings and choosing Automation, or for those who have admin access, by navigating to System then Automation Rules for global configurations. Once you're in the Automation overview, locate the specific rule you like to export. Maybe it's a clever auto-assign rule you painstakingly built, or just a template you want to reuse. Hover your mouse over that rule and you'll notice a series of 3 dots, the More Options menu on the right-hand side. Click it and in the drop-down you'll spot an export option. Go ahead and select that. This will trigger a download of a JSON file which contains all the details of your rule. Make sure to save this file somewhere safe on your computer, maybe in a dedicated Jira Rules folder, so you don't lose track of it. The beauty of exporting rules like this is you get a portable copy, perfect for backups or quick sharing. But what if you want to export all your automation rules at once? This is possible if you have global admin permissions. Once again, head to System and then Automation Rules within the Jira Administration panel. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the familiar 3-dot menu. Give that a click and choose Export Rules. This step is a game changer if you're worried about losing complex automation setups, or if you need to move lots of rules to another Jira site. Jira will package up every global and project-scoped automation rule into a single JSON file, which you can then download and store securely. Now let's talk about bringing these rules into another Jira instance, importing them. This is all done from the global automation settings. Go to System, then Automation Rules in Jira Admin, just like before. Find the 3-dot menu in the upper right, and this time select Import Rules. Jira will prompt you to upload your JSON file. You can drag and drop the file straight onto the screen or use the file picker, whatever's easiest. After uploading, you'll get to choose which individual rules you want to import and assign them to their target project scopes. One neat optional step here, you can choose to import the rule owners from the original instance. If you do, make sure those users exist in the target Jira site and that they have the right permissions, or you might run into a snag. Once you're ready, just select Let's do this to complete the import. A few important things to keep in mind. All imported rules come in as disabled by default. Don't panic if your rules aren't firing right away. You'll need to enable each rule manually after checking them over. If you already had a rule with the same name, Jira will smartly rename the imported version with a copy of prefix to avoid confusion. And here's a key step, always review your imported rules. Things like project IDs, issue types, user accounts, custom field IDs, and embedded URLs are often different between Jira instances. Think of it like moving house. Sometimes the furniture fits differently in the new space, so a quick check and tweak is essential. Remember, unless you imported existing owners, you'll be listed as the owner of any imported rules, which is important for permissions and future edits. And that's it, you've just mastered exporting and importing Jira automation rules. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like, and if you still have questions or run into any tricky scenarios, drop me a comment below. I always try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Jira tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy automating.